guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a mini Amazon haul. I have a few items that I recently picked up I wanted to share with you, and I also wanted to share my current favorites from the past month or so. There's some great items that I've been loving, so I kind of just decided to combine both things together. Definitely have a wide variety of items and random items to share with you, as I always do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see more, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's start off with the Amazon items first. This first item is definitely unique and random. When I saw it, I was like, that is so cool. I've never seen anything like it before, but this is a smart visual ear cleaner, and this is by the company or the brand Bebird, and I'm gonna take it out of the box so you can see it. But basically, it is what it says. It's a visual ear cleaner, meaning you can clean your ears and see inside your ears. So quickly, I'm just gonna show you what comes inside the box before I show you how it works. But this is the actual kind of like instrument. It's very, very lightweight, and you turn it on right there. And then this tip that you see right there, I'll kind of get close up so you can see if my camera wants to focus, but if you see, that's the tip that you actually are going to be cleaning the inside of your ears with. And then it comes with an extra tip as well, and then a little USB to charge it. So this has a camera built in inside it, so you can put this inside your ear and see exactly what is inside your ear, any earwax, anything going on. And I know it sounds crazy, but I just think it's the coolest thing, you guys. The other thing about this is that you can clean this after you use it. And if you don't want to use Q-tips anymore, you don't have to. You can use this depending on how many times you want to use this a week. You can use this to clean your ears instead, and then you don't have to use Q-tips anymore. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Basically, what you do once you turn this on, you're going to download the app and the instructions, and then you're going to connect the Bluetooth for this device to your phone. Now that I'm connected, I have the Bebird app open, as you can see, so I am going to click on it, and that's the camera right now. And I'm not trying to gross you guys out, but I just kind of want to show you. I'm going to stick this in my ear so you can kind of see. My ears are clean, you guys, but do you see that? How cool is that? So I'm just gonna power this down and kind of just talk a little bit more about this. So for me, I got this more for my husband than for me. My husband is really not good about cleaning his ears, and I know that sounds gross. I'm just trying to turn this off. Hold on one second. So I powered it off. So my husband is really not good about cleaning his ears at all. So I thought this would be really cool to get for him. So maybe if he sees what's inside his ears, he can be better about cleaning his ears. It's like to the point where like I have to ask him, because I just know he's not, and it could go like a couple weeks. I don't even know, you guys. And we did this the other day, and yeah, he was a little shocked. So I think he's going to be more regular about cleaning his ears, especially with this, because he sees what's going on and all the buildup. So I know this is really unique. It might be a little weird, but I definitely wanted to shout this out. Okay, so next are a new pair of cross slippers. I actually have an older pair of pink ones on right now, but I needed a new pair of the faux fur plush cross slippers. So these are them right here. I have another pair of white ones, but they were just like pretty much on their last straw. They were super dirty, and they were starting to get kind of thin. I mean, I was wearing them every day for like at least 6 months. So these are the newest ones that I got. I love them. I love the way they feel. I don't know what the brand is for these. It says Ning, that's the brand. Whenever I go and search these, there's always like different brands that pop up, but these had pretty good reviews for them. So these are the ones that I went with. And typically I always am spending at least $15 on these. Definitely under $20. Most of these slippers, super affordable, super cute. I know like if I go to other stores, or even department stores for that matter, I'm going to be spending well over $20 on slippers. And yeah, so these are my latest white faux fur cross plush slippers. That is a mouthful. And next is a repeat purchase. This is my favorite protein currently. This is the Vega plant-based protein and greens, and this is the flavor vanilla. As you can see, my husband likes the chocolate, and has 20 grams of protein per scoop, and it's 120 calories, and there's no added sugar, and it is non-GMO. So I really like this one, you guys. All of the ingredients I can read, I know what they are. Some of the protein powders, you have to be careful because you can go through the ingredients and you don't even know what's inside your protein powder. So this is non-GMO. I like it. And it's pea protein. It's not like animal-based protein. And I like this too because it has a serving of greens. So some days if I'm not having any greens, I can have this. More so for my husband because he just really doesn't do a lot of greens. Sometimes like for dinner if I have broccoli on the side, but he doesn't have any kind of lettuce or spinach. He doesn't eat salads. So I do like that it has that component to it. So this is just my newest tub of this protein. It tastes really good. I'll either drink it on its own with water or I'll blend it in with like some fruit and spinach. And then the last 3 items from Amazon are hair products I wanted to share with you. I feel like I have quite a bit of hair products in this video actually. So this I haven't gotten in a really long time, but I absolutely love this product. It is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. It's just the small one. I know they sell bigger ones, but these are kind of pricey, you guys. But Amazon, the price wasn't too bad. I don't exactly remember. I think this was like around $15 for this one, but this will last me a good amount of time. But if you buy these at like Ulta or even like a drugstore, they can get pretty pricey. I like to use this when I get out of the shower. I spray it on my hair, comb it through my hair, and then say I want to blow dry my hair after like an hour or 2 when it's dry. There is a heat protectant on this. It also helps tame frizz, adds shine, helps replace lost protein, seals and protects hair color. There's like a million things it does. Actually, there's 10 things it does, as you can see. But I really like this. I like the way my hair feels after, so I wanted to get this again. I feel like it's been probably a year since I've used this, and the smell, you guys, it smells really, really nice. So I ended up picking this up on Amazon. And then next, I think I've mentioned the leave-in treatment of this, but not the shampoo and conditioner. This is the Joico Hydra Splash line, and I just have the shampoo and conditioner. I really love this. I know they have a moisture one as well, but I like the Hydra Splash just a little bit more. And basically it's just hydrating shampoo and conditioner. Lately my hair has just been extremely dry with like the cold weather, so I really like this, and it smells really nice as well, and I love the way it makes my hair feel. I really like Joico products. I know I mentioned a lot of like the leave-in treatments as well, and then the leave-in conditioners that you wash out afterwards, but these are what I currently picked up. So I figured I would combine some of my favorites. I don't have a lot of favorites, so these are going to be items the last month or so that I've been loving. And this first item I mentioned before, but whenever I mention it, I never have it, but I've been using it a lot recently, and it's this Bluetooth speaker, and these are super cheap. I think the last time I talked about this, I had mentioned that I was considering purchasing another Amazon Echo Dot, but they're like $40, and I missed like the Prime deal when they were like $20. So that's where I decided to go with this. I think I got this for like $15. There was like a $3 coupon at the time when I got this, and this speaker works awesome, you guys. It's super cheap. I'll kind of just like get so you can see it right there, and basically you turn it on the bottom, but it just syncs right up to your phone. Now, why I like this as opposed to like the Echo Dot, I have both, is that this hooks right up to my phone, so anything I play on my phone, it will play through here. So if I'm on YouTube on here and I want to play it on here, it'll go right to here. With my Echo Dot, it's not really hooked up to my phone, so if I want to play something on my phone, I can't do it through the Echo Dot, if that makes sense. There might be a way to, but it just connects to the Wi-Fi. So that's why I like this one. I have a whole bunch of music that I put on my phone, so I'll play it on my phone using the speaker. Say I want to like watch something and have it on the speaker, I can, to make a long story short. And if you are looking for a good Bluetooth speaker just to play music and you don't want to break the bank, under $20, I would definitely recommend this one. They had a few other different colors. The brand for this one is Lenru, so I figured since I have it to share with you guys, there it is again, I would show you physically, and I would definitely 100% recommend it. Next, I have one candle from Bath & Body Works to share with you. This one blew me away. It is, I don't know if it's considered a Christmas candle. I know like if you look at like the packaging, it's got like, you know, skates and stockings on it, but it is hot cocoa and cream. Oh my goodness. Like, I am not kidding you guys. This one is amazing. They should make this in a bulb. They should make this in everything, even like a body lotion for that matter. It smells, oh my goodness. And if you're worried about this, you know, and how powerful it is, and if it's going to, if the throw is going to spread. This will smell up your entire house, and it smells like hot cocoa. I just love it. It is on the sweeter side. Let me read the notes to you. I'm not sure if they still have this. They probably do. I haven't been into Bath & Body Works in a few weeks because over the holidays or before the holidays, I just went crazy with candles and everything. But it is decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, mini marshmallows with natural essential oils. If they still have this one, 100% would recommend this. I had another one left over and I was comparing the two. It was from, I want to say it was like from maybe 5 or 6 months ago over the summer. It was like, I think it was like milk, or it was a mint chocolate chip milkshake or something. This one just blew it out of the water. Like, this one is awesome, you guys. So I wanted to share with you my favorite candle that I've been loving the last month. And then I have some food items, but before I get into them, I just wanted to get into one more hair product. I've talked about this before, but I wanted to mention it again. This is the Ordinary Hair Care Multi-Peptide Serum for Hair Density. That's what it looks like right there. And you can get this on Amazon. You can also get it at Sephora. I'm not sure about Ulta, but this is probably, I think, my 3rd bottle. And basically what I use this for is all my short baby hairs in the front. Every time I go to get my hair done, my sister is like, wow, your baby hairs are growing. And they really are, you guys. Like, I have all this like hair growth, like my bangs, like this piece right here was like to there before, you guys. So this stuff really is awesome. It doesn't break the bank. It's about $20 or so. I know other hair serums can be a little bit more. Now, I just focus this on my scalp. I'm not putting it on my ends or anything. And it's a dropper bottle. So basically what I do is I drop a little bit on my hands, kind of rub it together, and just pat it into my scalp. And that's it. And I've 100% noticed a difference, especially like if you have the annoying baby hairs, or even when I wear my hair up, I'm always hairspraying it back because I have all the short pieces. This stuff will make them grow. I really like it. A little bit goes a long way. And last but not least, you guys, I have 3 food items or food favorites to share with you. And I've mentioned these maybe about a year ago, and I decided to buy them again. And it's like, I need to stop buying them, you guys, because I could eat this whole thing in one like day. It's the Blue Diamond almonds, and it is the habanero, wow, I cannot talk today, habanero barbecue. Oh my goodness, I'm going to eat them right now. The sriracha is really good as well. They taste a little similar, but I like these ones a little bit more. Oh, so good. I know like regular almonds are obviously better for you, but if you want to eat almonds and you just don't really care about them, or you just think the flavor is kind of bland, I would definitely try these. They are, addicting would be the word, so I wanted to shout these out. They are life-changing. And then I have 2 Trader Joe's favorites to share with you. I don't know if I shared these before, actually. Maybe I have. These are the Trader Joe's rolled corn tortilla chips, chili and lime flavored. You guys, I keep buying these. My husband loves them. I love them. They're just awesome. They have a kick to them. They are a little bit spicy, but nothing like that you can't tolerate. So good. So I want to shout these out. Definitely would recommend them. And then this last food item, my husband picked out at Trader Joe's the other day, and I wish we never found them because they're not calorie friendly, which he doesn't obviously care about, but they're addicting and they're so good. These are the Trader Joe's sesame sticks, and they're almost gone. These things, and I'm going to eat one right now, they are just, oh my goodness. You guys gotta try these. They're really good. Like, say you are, you know, having appetizers or whatever, and you want to have like some munchy food out, these will be a hit. But they're really, really good. Let me know if any of you guys have tried the 2 Trader's items that I just shared with you. But that is it for this haul. I know it's super random, but I wanted to share with you some items that I've been loving, and then the items that came in from Amazon. Let me know in the comments down below what you've been loving. Have you tried out any of these items? Are you thinking of trying any of these items? I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.